Today, we're driving China's high-speed rail network, starting with the Bombardier-built CRH380A. This is a very straightforward train to drive. With the reverser in forward, move the combined throttle and brake to 100% and hit the advanced cruise control button. On the speed display, there is an orange bar which shows the maximum permitted speed. When the train reaches this speed, it will manage the throttle and brake to maintain it. When the permitted speed increases, the orange bar changes accordingly. Displayed on the screen to the left, from top to bottom, is the current permitted speed, the permitted speed at the next signal, and the distance to that signal. When the permitted speed increases, the train will automatically accelerate to the new speed. And of course, once it reaches the new target speed, it will maintain it. Now displayed on the signalling screen is a currently permitted speed of 250 km per hour, which the train is holding. The target speed at the next signal is 45 km per hour, and that's in 5 km. The train will automatically decelerate to match the new target speed in time for the next signal block. As the train starts to match the braking curve, you'll hear a beep, and the braking curve displayed on the speedometer will start to move. The current speed arrow will match the braking curve displayed, which means the train is decelerating at the correct speed for the signal ahead. As the train comes into the station, if the signal at the end of the platform is red, the train will actually stop itself on the platform in the correct place. In this case, all the driver has to do is monitor and open the doors once the train comes to a complete stop. If the signal at the end of a platform is showing a proceed aspect, the driver will need to bring the train to a stop manually. This can be done just by moving the combined power brake controller to a braking position. The CRH380A has a maximum permitted speed of 250 km per hour, which it reaches on most of the routes and scenarios. We'll now take a look at manual train operation on this line, but we'll cover that with a different train. This is the CRH380, a bullet train capable of 350 km per hour in service. It was developed in China, although may or may not be derived from a Kawasaki bullet train. We'll start this train up by turning the master key and raising the pantograph. We'll move the reverser to forward, release the train brakes, and increase power. The train will now start to move away from the station. Our target speed is displayed in the orange bar on the speedometer. It's currently 90 km per hour. When we reach that speed, we will engage the cruise control, which will hold our current speed. When the target speed increases, we'll need to disengage cruise, and with the throttle placed in the forward position, the train will accelerate. When we reach our new target speed, which is currently 160 km per hour, we will re-engage the cruise control and the train will hold our speed. This train uses the same CTCS signalling system as the CRH1, with current speed, next target speed and distance to next target speed displayed on the screen. When we need to start slowing for the new target speed, we hear a beep and the braking curve or the orange bar starts moving. We idle the throttle and engage service brakes to keep our current speed following this braking curve. As we reach our target speed, we release the train brakes and re-enable cruise control. The train will now hold our lower target speed and we will coast into the station. We'll now manually brake to a stop at the platform, ready to repeat the process for the next leg of our journey. And that concludes our drive on China's high-speed rail network. I hope you found this entertaining and perhaps useful. If you did, please drop a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Take care, and I'll see you next time.